Making liquid soap, that's for 35-40 liters. I make it with my washing machine. I'll be showing you this. So this is sulfonic acid. This is how my vendor sent it. Sulfonic acid. This is foam booster. She labeled it. And this is nitrosol. That is how she labeled everything for me. Yes, this is preservative. This is Tezapon. This is caustic soda. This is color. I know this very well. And this is soda ash. And this is STP. And this is SLS. Yes. So that's how it comes. And we have pineapple flavor. Yeah. Let's dive in. So I just poured 20 liters of water into the washing machine. So this is 20 liters of water I have poured in. This nitrosol. Let me have it so you can hear me. So I'll be pouring this nitrosol in there. I'll be pouring this caustic soda also in. So that is done. Next thing I'll be getting the bowl. I'll allow this to rotate for a few minutes. Then I'll be getting a bowl to pour water and mix different things here. So this is the rice mixture. You have to have it very well. Using my fix mat. So you turn it. So let me add this to it. So can you see this is the soda ash. Yes, so I'll pour it gently. So this is the STTP which I'm using, so I'll do like this and pour it in here. Okay, so I'll pour it in here. It's foaming already. It's foaming. Sulfonic acid there. Let me add it to my I did my Tezapon. I have my foam booster there. Preservative, I want to mix it well. Don't scream. So let me have this pineapple flavor there to give it a better smell. It's giving me, I love the flavor. I love the pineapple flavor. So the last thing I'm adding is this coloring. Can you see the color? So I'll put this there. You know, I've added like 3 of this water there, so that's all. Be sweating. Oh, can you see it from that end? Very thick. You need to see it very well. And since I will leave this to mix for like lowest as a minimum 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Expedite. It says I'm sweating because I want to do. Like my mom's video, share and repost because of. So you see, so this is it. The soap. So can you see? This is the liquid soap. Hello. I said to the very fresh. This square fresh. It's it all. This square fresh. You got it too. You wanna check it now? Check it. Can you see? I said to the very fresh. This square fresh too. You wanna? Oh God. Can you see? Can you see? So now, so this is it.